In this video, we're going to have a quick look at how to add branching into a form in Microsoft Forms. So I've got a really great example of where branching is going to come in super handy. And all branching is when someone answers one question, you've got a number of different answers, and depending on which answer to pop in, you're going to send them to a different question. My example here is, did the event meet your learning needs? It is mandatory and they've got a yes or a no option. If they click on yes, then I want to send them to the next question about the event. If not, I want to go to question 2 because I want to know why it didn't meet their learning needs. This is a really great example then of skipping questions that are not relevant to the people who are filling in your feedback forms. So they are giving you the information you want and they're not getting annoyed by questions that are not relevant to them. So the first thing I need to do is I need to click on the question that I'm going to branch out from. So my example is, did the event meet your learning needs? That's the question I'm going to create the branching on. And you need to do this once you've created your questions, because you need to tell the system where you want it to go. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots at the bottom, and I'm going to click where it says add branching. And I'll get a slightly different screen here. And it's the top one that I'm currently interested in. Did the event meet your learning needs? I've got yes or no options, and then I've got go to options to the left. So if it's a yes, I want to go to question 3, because I want to skip the question where they're going to tell me why it didn't meet it, because it's not relevant to those people. And if they said no, I want them to tell me why. So I'm going to go to question 2. And it's as simple as that. So now if I click on back, I've added in that information. And the best way to check this is just to go to preview and have a look at how it works. So when I click on preview at the top, I can see here, because I've got branching in, it's wanting me to put that information in before it shows me my next question. So did the event meet your learning needs? I'm going to click on yes, and the satisfaction questions pop up. I've missed question 2 that was about why did it meet the needs, and I've dropped straight into the next relevant question. So if I just click on back and I have a look at the no option, again I go back to preview and I click on no instead, I've now got why did the event not meet your learning needs, and then I can see further down I've got my satisfaction questions. So it's a really great way of not losing your attendees, their feedback, by giving them questions that are not relevant to them, and just making it a lot more structured for the people who are filling in your form. So have a go at branching and see how you get on.